Here is our list of the top 5 best portable monitors you can get right now. The ViewSonic TD1656-2K is a 16-inch portable monitor with a sharp 2560 by 1440 resolution and responsive touch functionality, ideal for users needing high clarity and precision. It features versatile USB-C connectivity for easy pairing with laptops, smartphones, or tablets. Its ultra-slim and lightweight design makes it highly portable, fitting easily into a backpack for on-the-go use. Suitable for professionals, students, and creatives, the monitor supports a range of activities from presentations and sketching to content streaming. Overall, it delivers performance and convenience in a compact form, making it a practical tool for productivity and entertainment anywhere. The Lenovo ThinkVision M14T Gen 2 is a 14-inch portable monitor designed for mobile productivity, offering a sharp 2240 by 1400 resolution and 100% sRGB color accuracy for vivid visuals. Its 16:10 aspect ratio provides extra vertical screen space, enhancing multitasking and document editing. Stylus support adds functionality for note-taking and creative tasks. With USB-C power pass-through of up to 65 watts, it allows users to charge devices while using the monitor, simplifying setups and improving efficiency. Compact and feature-rich, the ThinkVision M14T Gen 2 is ideal for professionals seeking a high-performance display that enhances workflow on the go. The Arzopa Z1FC is a 16-inch portable monitor that combines affordability with impressive display quality. Featuring a sharp 2.5K resolution, it delivers bright detailed visuals suitable for work and entertainment. With both USB-C and HDMI ports, it offers broad compatibility for easy connection to a variety of devices. Its slim lightweight design enhances portability, making it ideal for students and remote workers who need a reliable screen on the go. Offering excellent value, the Arzopa Z1FC is a standout choice for users seeking high-quality performance without exceeding their budget. The ASUS ZenScreen MB14AHD is a portable OLED monitor offering vibrant color accuracy, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness for stunning visual quality. Its ultra-thin lightweight design makes it perfect for travel or daily commutes. With USB-C and HDMI ports, it connects easily to laptops, tablets, or gaming consoles. The built-in stand supports multiple viewing angles, and an anti-glare coating enhances outdoor usability. Integrated stereo speakers provide added convenience for presentations or media use. ASUS also includes a protective sleeve, emphasizing a user-friendly travel-ready design. Overall, it's a premium choice for portable display needs with top-tier visual performance. The Lenovo ThinkVision M15 Pro is a portable monitor designed for professionals seeking reliable performance and clear visuals on the go. Featuring a sharp Full HD resolution, it delivers crisp detail ideal for work tasks. Its robust USB-C connectivity allows easy setup, while an adjustable kickstand provides ergonomic comfort for extended use. The monitor's sleek minimalist design pairs with durable construction, making it perfect for frequent travelers. Additionally, Lenovo includes eye care technology to reduce blue light emissions, supporting comfortable long-term viewing. Overall, the ThinkVision M15 Pro enhances mobile productivity with its blend of clarity, comfort, and convenience.